How to assign an expense claims to one of your customers. Let's go ahead and have a look at the expense claim and spend £25 on advertisement on Google and assign it to our customer. So I'll go ahead and add 25, and if you have receipt, you can upload it into the Xero directly. If you've paid through your personal money, you can reclaim it through reimbursement, or if it's a company paid on behalf of the client, we can use our business account and pay for this reimbursement. Now we can select either the supplier or enter a new supplier here in this spend ad. Spend when we can select it was spent 1st of May 2023, advertisement and marketing. If you have a tax as in region, you can also add it as optional. Let's now select the customer, how to use the bank vest, and if you have any labels that you created earlier, you can also apply the label in the section. Now let's go have a look at the VAT section. If there was any VAT, you can exclude VAT or include VAT. So if you're excluding VAT, it will be calculated on top, or if you include VAT, it will be calculated within £25 we just entered. If there is no VAT, you can select a zero VAT or no VAT depending on the transaction. And once you created all of the data, once you inputted everything, you click approve or submit. So let's now have a look and go ahead and submit the claim. Under review, we can now see our advertisement claim. Let's go ahead and approve this claim. And once it's been approved, we can now see our expense claims under all. Let's now have a look at the invoices and create a new invoice for Bank West. When you create invoice for the customer with billable expenses, Xero will trigger the following information. One billable expense can be added, and what you need to do is to click on this link and then select the item that you want to add and simply add the item. And this is how you add the billable expenses to your customers. I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos and playlists.